With these 3 wealth secrets, your dream of becoming a millionaire is closer than you think, even on a low income. In fact, over 2/3 of today's millionaires earned less than $100,000 per year. But if it's so easy, why are you struggling to build wealth? I've spent the last 6 years helping millions improve their finances, and I'll share 3 wealth secrets that are guaranteed to make you a millionaire. Imagine a doctor earning $250,000 a year and a retail worker earning $30,000 a year. Who do you think is richer? Obviously, it's the doctor, right? She's earning 8 times as much. But that may not always be the case. If the doctor lived a lavish lifestyle to match her income, say living in a McMansion and driving a luxury car, she could very quickly end up in debt. In that case, she would actually be poorer than the retail worker who lives within his means and invests diligently. But this isn't just an example. You wouldn't believe that half of people earning more than $100,000 a year are living paycheck to paycheck, which just goes to show that earning money is not the same as building wealth. So how can you do better than these people who are earning a lot more? The most important thing you can do is live within your means. I know that doesn't sound like the most fun idea, but it's the first step that all future millionaires need to take. Stick around to find out the most powerful tool you can use to achieve this. Imagine trying to swim with weights tied to your feet. Well, that's what you'd be doing if you didn't know this second wealth secret. One of the biggest financial burdens stopping most people from becoming a millionaire is high-interest credit card debt. The average American carries $8,000 in credit card debt, which will cost them thousands in interest. Let's say you had $5,000 in credit card debt, a lot less than the average American has, and paid it off at $100 per month. How long do you think it would take to pay off? 4 years? 5 years? Well, it would actually take you more than 11 years to pay off, and you'd end up paying over $8,700 in interest in addition to the original $5,000. This is why it's crucial to start paying off credit card debt as soon as possible. Don't worry, I'll show you how to lift this massive burden very soon. Let's play a game. Who do you think will have the most money at their retirement? A 20-year-old investing $100 per month, a 40-year-old investing $400 per month, or a 50-year-old investing $1,000 every month? Well, despite the 50-year-old's total investment being 3 times as much as the 20-year-old's, he ends up with just 1/3 of the money at retirement. But why? The answer lies in the magical power of compounding. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow, and the exponentially more money you'll have at retirement. That's why it's crucial that you start investing today. Even if it's a small amount, it's important that you start investing today so you can be like the 20-year-old and become a millionaire even on a low income. But do you know how to actually start investing, live within your means, and pay off credit card debt? If not, you're no closer to your dream of becoming a millionaire than you were before watching this video. You must take action. That's why I've put together simple step-by-step guides to achieve all these things quickly and easily so you can become a millionaire even on a low income. Don't procrastinate. Watch the playlist on your screen.